Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log in to your LoanDepot account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type LoanDepot.com and hit on enter right now. Now this is the official homepage of LoanDepot. If you scroll down, you can look at all the features provided by LoanDepot, but for now we simply want to log in. At the top right section of the screen, in the navbar, you will find something like Login and Apply Now. Simply click on this login button right here. Now depending upon your circumstances, choose whichever application you wish. It may be loan servicing, loan application, HELOC application, home search or credit monitoring. Click on any one of those. Now again, here's the login button right here, simply click on it. A new tab will open up asking you to enter your email address and password, that is your credentials. In case you forgot your email or password, simply click on these buttons right here and follow the prompts. That way, you can again regain access to your account. If everything is okay, simply hit on the sign in button right here and you will be able to log into your LoanDepot account. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you log in to LoanDepot. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.